Good morning, students. Let's solve another problem-based questions on sets. That is question 1. In a committee, in a committee, 50 people speak French. 20 speak Spanish. And 10 speaks both Spanish and French. Okay, so how many speak at least one of these two languages? Okay, now solution. Now let the number of people speak French be NF, and that is equal to 50, and let the number of people speak Spanish be, this is equal to 20. So we have to find out. So we have to find out N F union S, and given that NF is equal to 50, NS is equal to 20, and NF intersection S is equal to 10. Okay, now NF union S is equal to NF plus NS minus NF intersection S. So this is equal to 50 plus 20 minus 10, and this is equal to 60. Okay, we can understand this by the Venn diagram also. Now this is F, this is S, and this is F intersection S. So it is 10, it is 40, and it is 10. So F union S is equal to 40 plus 10 plus 10, and this is equal to 60. Okay students, I think this is clear to you. Now students, let's consider another question. Question number 2. In a survey, it was found that it was found that 21 people liked product A, 26 people liked product B, and 29 liked product C. If 14 people liked products A and B, 12 people liked products C and A, 14 people liked product B and C, and 8 liked all the 3 products find how many liked product C only. Okay students, so the solution. Now it's very easy to solve the question with the help of a Venn diagram. So it's given that number of people like product A, this is equal to 21. Number of people like product B is equal to 26, and number of people like product C is 29. Now number of people like product A and B is 14. The number of people like product C and A is 12, and number of people like product B and C is 14. Remember students, when we use the word and, then we use the term intersection, and when you use the term or, then we use union. Okay, so this is the main difference between union and intersection. Intersection means and, union means or. Okay, and number of people like product B, A and C is equal to 8. Okay, so let's draw a Venn diagram. So this is A, this is B, and this is C. Now start from the bottom. So B, A and C, B intersection A intersection C, this is this portion. So this is equal to 8. Now B intersection C is equal to 14. So B intersection C, 8 is already there, so 6 will be there, 14. Now C intersection A is 12, so 8 is there, so there will be 4. Now A intersection B is 14, 8 is there, so it will be 6. Now NA is equal to 21, so 6, 4, 10, 10 and 18, 18 and 3, 21. Now NB is 26, so 6 and 6, 12, 12 and 8, 20, 20 and 6, 26. And NC is 29, 6, 4, 10, 10 and 8, 18, 18 and 11, 29. So the number of people like the product C only is 11. Number of people liked product C is 11. Okay, students.